Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to edit TikTok content with the CapCut application. So first thing we have to do now is just go click the new project, and today I would like to show you to edit the pictures to become a video content for the TikTok. So we just need to go into the photo sections. In this photo section, let's find out the picture that we want to use for the content. For example, this one. And after that, you just need to go click add. And now what we do next, we just need to go click this clip, and after that we just need to drag it to get the longer duration. I think 8 seconds is good, but I think it will be better to make it like 10. Almost there. Okay, we already have 10 seconds length of this video. I want to split this video into two part, and the first part I want to make it like 3 seconds, so that the rest of part will be have like 7 seconds. How to split it? You just need to go click this clip and make sure this straight line is stop in the right position, which is 3 seconds, and after that you just need to go click split, and after that you just need to do whatever you want to do. Okay, so when we split this clip, we already have this, we have this square. So what is squares means? So squares here is the place that you can put the transitions on it. So I would like to add the transitions for it, so you just need to click it, and after that I think I would like to go with blur. I think this one is quite good. Okay, and after that you just need to go click done. Okay, so for the next, I would like to have a blur effect on the first clip, so I just need to go into the effects, go click a video effects, and just simply type blur, and after it done, click search, and now we just need to choose which blur that we want to add into the clip. I think I will let you go with this. What about this? Okay, that's quite good. And after you're done, you just need to go click cancels and click done in this point. Now let's see. Right there. Okay, and for the second clip, I would like to add some body effects. So I would like to bring this into the beginning of the second clip right here, and after that just go click a body effect, and this body effect, I think I would like to add this into the clip. Right. Okay, and after that just click done. Let's check the result. Start to blur, and I think I would like to move this into the end right here. Okay, let's have a check again. Okay, that's quite simple and fine, and that's, I think, yeah, the edit that I would like to have for my TikTok content. And after we're satisfied with all of this result, don't forget to add the musics if you want to, but I think I would like to do it later. So you just need to go click this to export this content. Okay, don't go anywhere, and now we just need to go click share to TikTok, and the CapCut application will bring you directly into the TikTok application. It's the most. And you just need to go click add sounds. You just need to find out the best audio that you want to add to your video, and after you're done, you just need to go click next, and now add the caption, and after you're done with the caption, just click pause to post it. So that's all. That's the way how to edit TikTok content with the CapCut application. If you find this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.